Welcome to my review of Looker, Google Cloud's powerful business intelligence tool. If you're new to Looker, it's designed to help businesses with data analysis, creating visualizations, and enabling better data-driven decision-making. But is it really as great as it sounds? Let's dive into the details. Looker provides a sleek interface for exploring and visualizing your data, and it integrates well with Google Cloud, which is an obvious plus if you're already using other Google products. However, one of the most important things to consider is the learning curve. For anyone new to BI tools, Looker can feel a bit complex, especially when you're trying to build custom reports or dashboards. It's not the most beginner-friendly tool out there, so be prepared to invest time in learning the system if you want to make the most of it. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. When it comes to pricing, Looker does not offer a free tier, which can be a downside for small businesses or individuals. It's important to contact their sales team for a quote tailored to your needs, which is a bit of a hassle if you're trying to budget quickly. But for enterprises that need a robust, scalable solution, Looker can definitely deliver value, especially with its ability to handle complex data scenarios. Another noteworthy feature is Looker's ability to create custom data models, which is a significant advantage for companies that need more tailored data reporting. However, this requires a solid understanding of LookML, Looker's modeling language. If you don't have dedicated developers or data engineers, this can be a barrier. In terms of support, Looker does a decent job providing resources, including documentation and a community forum. But again, because of the complexity, it can feel like you're on your own unless you're paying for premium support. The integrations Looker offers with other tools are fantastic, especially if you're leveraging Google Cloud and other enterprise systems. You can seamlessly pull in data from various sources to create a unified view, which is a huge plus for anyone managing large datasets. Overall, Looker is a great tool for medium to large enterprises looking to harness their data for deeper insights. Its advanced features and customizability make it stand out in the BI market, but it comes with a steep learning curve and a pricing structure that might not be ideal for smaller companies. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews of business tools like Looker. I'll be covering more business analytics websites and software, so stay tuned.